Okay, kanin. Dito na nung mag-answer yung kanin lang, grabe. Which of Rizal novels sparks the desire of Filipino for Philippine independence? Which Rizal novel sparks the desire of Filipino for Philippine independence?
El Filigos de Rismo.
Wrong. Okay, correct. Next question. From which nation did Emilio Aguinaldo derive inspiration in conceptualizing the Philippine flag? From which nation? Asa man i-derive ni Emilio Aguinaldo ang atong flag?
What number?
What nation or country?
Argentina.
Wrong.
Hawaii. Slow.
Glow. Okay, start with letter C.
Colombia, Canada.
China.
Wrong.
Letter C, magulili mang chi.
From which nation? Asa na? From which nation did Emilio Aguinaldo derive inspiration in conceptualizing the Philippine flag?
Mexico.
Letter C here. Chile. Apit na bro. Gamay ka lang. Correct, Ate Ting. Okay. Okay, sige. Next question. Who is known as the sublime paralytic of the Katipunan and became Emilio Aguinaldo Chief Advisor?
Apolinario Mabini.
Again?
Apolinario Mabini.
You're correct. Kapila na katry. Ang kung nakalaog na ito, matagal chance ang uban.
Emilio Jacinto?
Yes, ito to. Okay na lang, good. Naglang pag-price, ay problema.
Natagag siya na siya. Mudmud na siya.
Tatagal yung chance na good. Okay. Next question. Where did First Catholic Mass take place? First Catholic Mass. Where? From what island?
Lapu-lapu.
Letter L ang sugod.
Limas na Island.
May Makasawa Island.
Okay, this one. The founder of La Liga Filipina.
Allah, nangutan na lagi. Hoy, multiple choice
General Luna? No, wrong. Founder. Wait, yung kain na kami. Founder of La Liga Filipina. No, wrong.
Si Glory, nana answer si Glory, oh.
Start with letter J.
Ay,
Correct. Ito isa.
nakakuha na yun.
Okay, this one. Kani kay di sulisod si 100 kay par kay di sulisod. Okay. The 100K. The Bible of Katipunan or Primer of Katipunan. Start with letter C. Puti na.
Primer.
Yung magazine.
Juan.
Or the Bible of Katipunan.
Mexico.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Oh. Hindi ni tao, oy.
Bible.
Bible gani. Oh.
O, asa naman ko yung bot mo, Day?
Letter, start with letter C. 100 my guys.
Sige, pulbos ka kasi. Ang pwede yung now. Ayan si Mark.
Cartela, yes, correct! Wow, galing mo.
Galing ang Glory, oy!
Cartela, yes, that's correct. Okay, this is word 100. Again, can you listen ning? Asa na? Okay, what is considered as the earliest form of writing in the Philippines?
Ah, sige.
What is the earliest form of writing
Bay,
in the
butay mo, bay.
Philippines?
Release foreman.
Bye-bye. Correct. 100, bye-bye. Bye-bye is the answer.
150 na lang.
Pero nahog na, pila nila bili ko.
Gusto mo?
Kamu bibigyo? Okay. He is regarded as the puppet president of the Philippines. One, two, three. Wrong. One. What's that? Complete name. What's that? Okay, si Lauren. Okay. O sige, para sa inyo, Sir Kayo. He's the first president of the Philippine Commonwealth.
Commonwealth.
Commonwealth. One. Wrong.
Quezon.
Correct. What is the topmost island in the Philippines? Ang pinaka-topmost island sa Philippines. Topmost. Wrong. Babuyan Island? Island. Pinakataas. Kanang makuha sa Taiwan. Apari, correct.
Wow!